is amazing. First day, just chilling by the pool, doing nothing pretty much. Just swimming, eating. Tonight we're probably gonna stay in. We're not gonna go anywhere. We're gonna make some barbecue over here. And tomorrow we're probably gonna go out and explore some stuff, town. Maybe gonna go to the beach and other places. But this is just the first day. Okay, we're making a sangria as well, apart from the skewers. Ready! It's 7 a.m. and we're up. Not because we went out last night, but because if you want to get to the decent beach in Ibiza, you have to wake up early and drive up, and because otherwise there's no parking and it's impossible to park a car. So this is Cala Salada. Translation would mean like the salty beach. Very pretty, like it's a little bit of hike. You park your car first and then you get to the first type of beach. And then now we are kind of hiking to the sandy beach. The first one was a bit the rocky one, but looks very pretty. The water is so clean. It's quiet now so far, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna get busy. It's quite a tiny beach, not too big, so I'm pretty sure there's quite limited capacity over here. We're leaving now. It's actually getting a bit too crowded. Yeah, one of my top 5 beaches for sure. I love the cliffs, I love the blue water. It's really clean water, the fish is in. People actually are queuing for the beach. Like, I've never seen something like that before in my life. Apologies in advance to not film too much close-ups with people, because a lot of people, specifically girls, are out with the titties and like they half naked. So I don't really want to film naked girls because my girlfriend would get pissed off, first of all, and second of all, maybe some of them will see my video and they would actually censor my video, maybe take it down just because I would post some titties. Yeah, exactly, just because of it.
Maybe we got titties at home.
What?
We got titties at home.
This one's not gonna go into the video for sure. My skin is just roasting over here. It's really hot. Like, it's September, but the weather is still perfect over here. 27 degrees every day. Yeah, we were expecting a little bit of clouds the first couple of days. I mean, yesterday, the day before, but no, it's just sun. morning from sunny Ibiza. This is our morning routine. As the sun is shining outside, the sun is shining over here. We're making a nice fresh orange juice every morning. Stacking up like nice piles with oranges and stuff. Just arrived at the white water beach, Agua Blanca, Cala. We'll check it out, this one now. Matching outfits. A pink towel and pink watch. Lovely.
Just wanted to give you a little view of this look for the day. Very manly, very manly. Love it. Well, the devil is in the details.
Yeah, that's what they say. Oh shit. Looks like the beach has a really high tide at the moment, and I don't think we can get to the other side that easily. Well, I guess we just have to just go through this water. No, it's alright. God damn it, to go to the beach you need to just like conquer so many different obstacles in life. Yeah, the beach is just over there, but like... No. That's actually right, not too bad. At least the water's warm. I mean, I really want to fly a drone here and film a lot, but like, apparently this is the nudist beach. Like, this is, everyone is naked over here again. This beach is very wild, actually. Looks like a hippie type of beach. Very wild, very remote. Not a lot of people so far. We'll check it out. I'm just gonna get the drone up in the sky and we'll see how this place looks like from above, actually. But it's beautiful. The cliffs are amazing, and yeah, let's check it out. Last day, folks. We went out last night for paella, obviously. Really nice place in the city, San Antonio, I think. You can feel actually the city's been impacted quite a lot by COVID. A lot of places are shut down, the bars are closed more or less. I think they have a curfew here as well, so all the places must be shut down by 12:30 or something. So yeah, I mean, it's a tourist island, so you can feel definitely an impact of COVID, for sure. Otherwise, it's fine. I mean, we had a really nice dinner, and now, yeah, last beach today, last day, and tomorrow back to London. Pretty cool beach, actually. It's kind of like partially sandy, nice cliffs around. Obviously dead. It's like 9 a.m. or something. Pretty sure it's gonna get busier. Really quiet over here. Nice pine trees around. I'm gonna try to swim to this cave over here behind me, I mean over there, and see how deep is that cave. Maybe you can climb in. Yeah, that is cool. This is how the people lived 4 million years ago, inside of a cave. That was a nice beach. Loved it. You should come definitely early if you want to enjoy the best. The thing is, the sun only comes out at like 11, 12, and it's the warmest. When we arrived at 9, it was still kind of a bit cold, but empty. Nice for the fishes, for swimming, I would say. This beach is really cool. Hope you enjoyed my beach sort of review. I think Cala Salada was my favorite. Don't know why. I think it's because it's all sandy. There was like cliffs, like kind of surrounded bay. Nice clean water. But it gets really busy though. That's the downside of it. But that was definitely my favorite beach.